Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sachin Shah, Medical Director of the Vikhroli branch of Agarwals Eye Hospitals. We are serving here for last 23 to 24 years to the Vikhroli population. We have all the eye checkup facilities and surgical facilities. One of the most important is a cataract. We have the most advanced phaco machine in the world, which is a Centurion. We have bought this machine when the machine was launched 10 years back. So we are following strict protocols for cataract surgery, which is a minimal invasive surgery done through 2 mm of incision, and patient is happy next day or maybe same day with a very good vision and a broad smile on face. Along with cataract, we have a retina department which is headed by Dr. Sharang Vertikar. He is attached here for last 15 years, and we have advanced OCT, which is a 3D OCT. Along with that, we do retina surgeries in-house. We do all types of retina surgeries. We have a glaucoma department which is headed by Dr. Uttara More, and she is attached here for last 7 years, and she is giving us a wonderful service to mankind, because glaucoma is one of the most neglected disease and it can lead to blindness. Dr. Uttara does glaucoma surgeries here. We have an excellent LASIK setup, which is a Schwinn machine, and we do lot of LASIK and trans-PRK treatment here. Even we have a customized LASIK suit. So in all, we are serving Vikhroli people and mankind for last 24 years, and we want to serve another many years with the help of technical advantage of Agarwals Eye Hospital and my dedicated team.